because it can literally change the way you look at marketing. It will give you the power of prospect empathy immediately. Please print this book out and do it, okay? Because it can literally change your life. Okay? So this is the stories. Okay, the 3 stories story triangle. Please watch the pre-class video and go to this ebook because it is very important. If you don't have your mindset ready about this, right, then it is not going to happen. So the first story of the story triangle. There are 3 stories of the story triangle. The first is the untold pains. The second is the unexpected gains. And the third is untold pain to unexpected gains. I'm going to explain this everything to you guys right now, but in the video and in this book, right, I explain this in much more detail. Okay? The first thing is this. What are the fears and frustrations your prospects are having right now that is not acknowledged by competition? Okay? Let me ask you this, guys. Okay? Anyone here don't want this earbuds, okay, where you have to untangle it? You have to put this inside your head, inside your ears, and to insert this in your laptop or your phone. Anyone here don't want this? Anyone here feel frustrated? Okay, every time I have to untangle this, I have to put this inside my phone or my laptop. It is taking a lot of time. That is the first story. What are the fears and frustrations your prospects are having right now that is not acknowledged by competition? Second, what is the new technology that helps your prospects solve their fears and frustrations and achieve their dreams and desires? Anyone here want to get this AirPod for ₹1,000 and you will happily exchange this particular thing with this? Anyone here will do this? Type buy in the chat box and will immediately buy this. Okay? You will stop everything that you're doing and you'll purchase for ₹1,000. Why? Why did your loyalty for this go away, and why do you want to buy this? Because it's a new technology. People don't want this. Okay, people don't want this. They are frustrated every single day. They are frustrated every single day by going through this particular thing. Okay, the moment there is a new technology that can solve their frustrations and get them achieve their dream, right? That is when they actually get what they want. So your job is to create a new technology like this. And in marketing, this new technology is nothing but new words. I'm going to tell you exactly what is that. And anyone here feel jealous when, for example, I put these things inside my ears, right? I put these things in my mind and I start listening to music, right? I close my eyes, I listen to music. Anyone here wants to listen like I am doing right now? Because the third story is this: how prospects have moved from their fears and frustrations to their dreams and desires differently with your technology. It is your responsibility. It is your responsibility as a marketer to create these 3 stories. For example, one of my students, right, he created this thing called how to study in Australia without IELTS. IELTS is something which people were frustrated, feared that when will I clear IELTS? When will I go and study in Australia? The moment he brought in a technology where it says 0 IELTS graduate, okay? The 0 IELTS Australian graduate, that's his new technology. 0 diet weight loss. Anyone here want to lose weight without dieting? The 0 diet weight loss is the new normal for losing weight. And when I show people that you can actually be fit without having any restriction on diet, will you be interested in that? So now your frustration is with diets, okay? How much time I should spend on my diets? How much careful I should be, okay? I say no diet and you can still lose your weight. That's a new technology. The moment I show you testimonials of people who have moved from the fears and frustrations to the new technology, right? Then I have power positioning. I will explain this with this guys, okay? I will explain this guys. So anyone here has seen this Vico Vajradanti? Okay? Vico Vajradanti. Okay? So what is okay? I will tell you the three stories, right? Okay? Here in this particular right, it says, right, it says teeth are wealthy. Okay, it says teeth are wealthy. Okay, I will show this, right. Teeth are wealthy when gums are healthy. Okay, that is the thing, right? Teeth are wealthy and when gums are healthy. And it says याद रखिए मसूदों में जान तो दांतों की शान, यही है वीको की पहचान, right? What is the untold pain of Vico Vajradanti? Type your answer. What is the untold pain of Vico Vajradanti? What is the frustration they are attacking that nobody is attacking, right? Please tell this. Okay, in the chat box. Gum issues. Okay. So they are focusing on the gums. They're not focusing on the teeth. They're focusing on the gum. And what does Vajradanti mean? Okay. What does this mean, right? Okay. What does this Vajradanti? What does Vajra mean? What does Vajra mean? Vajra means diamond, right? You can make your teeth to cut like diamond. That is the technology name. And the third thing is, anyone here has seen the ad of Vico Vajradanti, where the grandfather, grandmother, children, mom, dad, everyone breaks their breaks sugarcane, all nuts with their teeth. Have you seen that? Type C in the chat box. Have you seen that ad? Okay? They show stories. Got it? So your job is to see marketing. Okay? Wherever you go, I want you to see marketing. Okay? I want you to see three stories. When you go to supermarket, you go to anywhere, I want you to see marketing, because from today onwards, you are not just a course creator, you are not just a entrepreneur, you are a marketer. Your responsibility is to create stories. Okay? Your job is not to like tell stories. Your job is to create these three stories. And only when you create stories, your prospects will see you as different and they will buy from you. It is your responsibility. Everyone is good at creating customer value. But if you want to create marketing value, you need to take responsibility for these three stories. Do you know the tagline or the famous dialogue from Spider-Man? It says, with more power comes more responsibility. The reverse is true in marketing. With more responsibility comes more power. Will you take the responsibility of creating these three stories? Type responsibility in the chat box if you will take the responsibility of creating these stories. And I'm going to bring on someone who has took the responsibility of marketing on her own. Okay? If you don't take responsibility for creating these three stories, right, then your marketing is not going to work. You will feel, okay, I have so much value, but nobody is appreciating my value, because you're not took responsibility for creating marketing value. And marketing value is about creating these three stories. And I'm going to bring on a person who has become responsible. Yes, took responsibility. So let us say welcome to Dinas, who is here. I will make you the co-host, Dinas, and welcome to the show. Yeah, can we all welcome Dinas by typing welcome on the chat box?
Hi Gopal, hi everyone.
Hi, yeah. Amit, you're here?
I'm always there. So I think it's the time to introduce somebody who is definitely, you know, I'll say, like, you know, the first time I met Dinas, and the moment every time I'm talking to her, every time I get a kind of, you know, a Duracell battery on me, I guess. So welcome everyone, a superwoman who has challenged her life and made her mark. She is not just a fitness expert. There is something way beyond that. She has been a Guinness Book of World Record holder as well. She has been a baking queen. So yes, she knows all the cutleries which goes behind the baking stuff, and also a chartered accountant. So beauty with brains, with fitness, with everything that you can put together, and an amazing life-inspiring story. So Dinas, I welcome you on behalf of the entire Binge Marketing crew and the audience out here. So welcome to the show. The stage is all yours.
Hey, hi, thanks a lot, Amit. That was like, I mean, baking queen and all that. It's really embarrassing. But well, Gopal, thank you so much. And it's really and truly a pleasure to come here and speak every time we have the Binge Marketing sessions. And it's my privilege to inspire people to start taking action towards their journey.
Yeah, so before you go into anything, right, can you just briefly tell about your online course offer? What exactly do you help people to achieve in their life?
Hey, I'm getting private messages from people about being on the call. Yeah, sorry. What did you say?
So I'm
What?
just asking you, like, what is the online course of you all about, right? What is the outcome you actually get for your clients?
I help people to lose weight. So I'm earlier I used to be known as the aerobics queen. I think now I'd like to be called as the weight loss queen because that's my expertise and I help people to lose weight.
All right. Okay. So can you tell me about the programs that you have developed for your audience that actually makes them get results? Okay. So why are you so much after results for people, and what actually makes someone who goes through your program to actually get results?
So first and foremost, it's about giving value.
Mm-hmm.
First and foremost, the first program that they join me with is a 5-day WhatsApp class, where they come into my 5-day WhatsApp class. They buy my weight loss extreme workouts
Mm-hmm.
library, where there are 25 plus video libraries. So for
Mm-hmm.
me, it's not about just selling a course to them. For me, it is about creating a community and giving them the value for the first 5 days,
Mm-hmm.
and mentoring them to a point where they're independent.
Mm-hmm.
Now at the end of the 5th day, I have a course which is my level 1, which is a silver membership to the Weight Loss Extreme Hub. And in that, it's a conceptual course where I help them to understand what are the concepts that are really required to help them to lose weight and get started.
Mm-hmm.
And I give them again a lot of free stuff, lot of value in that program itself. And after that, then they come into my level 2 program, which is my gold membership.
Mm-hmm. All right. Okay. So people, I have been seeing your WhatsApp groups where people are getting results. Okay. So how do you hold them accountable, and how do you make sure that they actually do the stuff every single day? Because if they don't do the work, right, they won't get the results, right? People have been losing 9 kgs with your program in 60 days, etc., etc. So how is that even possible, Dinas? What is the kind of structure you have in your level 2 program that actually gets results so fast for them, where they have failed with so many other programs before? What is that?
First of all, Gopal, my personal experience is that as a coach, when we show up and we give, like if we charge 10,000 rupees and we are giving literally value worth 2 lakhs rupees per month, then the people who have taken the course feel responsible and feel that, oh my God, I have paid only like 10,000-15,000 rupees and she's like giving so much. So now they feel that they want to be accountable for what they are getting. And secondly, I have a beautiful tracking system. I've created my own trackers, which empower them to start taking action. So I'm not micromanaging the results, whereas I'm empowering them to get those results. And by coaching them on a week-to-week basis, by showing up on the time that I've said that I'll show up for my mastermind sessions, I'm actually making sure that I empower my tribe rather than anything else. And then they just automatically show the results. And the other thing that has worked tremendously for me is the not only the mastermind sessions, but the community. I've been nurturing this community like a baby. And now it's not about me. This whole thing is not about me. It's about the community. And they themselves look after themselves, actually.
All right. Okay. Amazing. Amazing. That's how an online course should be, right? You have to also get people to get accountable when they execute stuff. Okay. And that's when people get results. So amazing. So you are working with Gopi Chand, Saina Nehwal Sindhu. You are a celebrity, but still you are facing a lot of struggles in your marketing. Why do you think someone who can work with celebrities like superstars and okay still struggle in marketing? Why do you think that happens, Dinas? Okay. Because you have so much credibility and you are a celebrity in your space, but still you are struggling in marketing when you approach us. Why does that happen? Why do you think that happens? Because many people have that same problem, right? They have a lot of customer value, but when it comes to marketing, right, they're not able to do it. Why do you think that happens then?
So first and foremost, initially, when you say that I'm like for celebrities and all that, a lot of common people think that, oh, she's only for celebrities and she's not approachable. And that is the message that I wasn't able to communicate to people, and I was constantly communicating that, oh my God, unknowingly I was communicating that I'm like a celebrity coach. And then when I approached you guys, you all used the celebrity angle, but you let the common man know that, hey, listen, we are all common people and that you can approach me and I'm there for you. And then when price point is not an issue, then the common man starts believing in you. And then I get in my WhatsApp group all the time that, ma'am, it's so good to be working with you, though you're a celebrity coach. So even now they've labeled me as one, but now they know that I'm approachable.
All right. Okay. So the marketing value you are now creating, right? So it is having a connect with the audience, right? So that is what is making people who are not open to work with you, and the price point, right? You are right now, how much you are charging for your core class, WhatsApp class, Dinas?
WhatsApp class is 499,
499.
including
Okay.
GST.
So on a weekly basis, how many people you enroll into your WhatsApp class, Dinas?
Minimum 70 to 150 people on an average. Depends on Facebook, and sometimes they become cranky and sometimes they are in a very good mood. So you know that very well, Gopal.
Yeah, like that will always happen, right? Like so every thing out there is uncertain, like this
Yeah.
whole COVID that is upon us, right? It's uncertain. Everything in this world is uncertain, right? So only thing that is certain is so like, I don't want to mention that, but so you are getting 150 people every single week. That means 600 people are paying for your WhatsApp class on an average a month, right? So how many people actually convert into your main online course, and what are the some of the numbers you can share with people here?
So I'll give you the percentage on an average. On an average, about 40 to 50% come into my final Friday webinars. 40 to 50% people convert, and out of that, an average of 30% to 33% are converting into my level 1 program.
So that's the numbers, guys. Okay, in a webinar, right, you can never go above 10%, but here she's averaging between 30 to 33%, just because people are already seeing her value before she actually makes an offer to her online course. So how is that 5th day class? Okay, do you enjoy the whole stuff? Like, is there any pressure, or you just feel so relaxed when you do the 5th day class, Dinas?
First and foremost, on the 5th day, what happens is they are not a cold audience. So first and foremost, we feel, at least as women, I feel that more secure about it. And we've already created and built up a bond from Monday to Thursday. I have a combination of live and WhatsApp messages, and I give them action points. I give them to-do list. So by the time they meet me on Friday, they are almost ready to eat out of my own palms.
Okay, got it. Okay. And people want to buy your program even before the class, right? They want to work with you, right? Many people message you and like want to work with you even before you do your pitch on the 5th day, correct?
Yeah, they are ready.
All right, amazing. So like one last question, like what has been the change in revenue, right? Before you started binge marketing and after you started binge marketing, what has been the difference in the whole revenue, and how are you looking at scaling your business to at the international level, or what are your goals for the next 4 months of 2020, Dinas? Yeah.
So definitely, earlier I was making about 1.5 to 2 lakhs, max to max 2.5 lakhs per month. Okay. Now, ever since I've gone into this model and we've started the binge marketing ads, I'm clocking an average of about 10 lakhs a month. And that's kind of really, first and foremost, boosted my own personal confidence into the fact that everything is possible as long as you put your mind to it. And going forward in 2020, by 2020, I want to be a crorepati for sure. By the end of 2020, there is no doubt in my mind that I won't achieve it. No doubt about it. Okay. I come from a space where I had 6 gyms. And the other day, my auditor, when he was reviewing my figures, and I was sharing some of my figures to him, he was saying that, Dinas, even when you had 6 gyms, you didn't make this kind of revenue.
Okay.
So the numbers are unbelievably good. And I don't know whether you know, Gopal, but I have, like you have started with your binge marketing, I have started with my online retreat model. So every alternate Saturdays, I'm taking people into the online retreat model and then converting straight into the level 1 and level 2. And it is like an addiction for me. I have my next one next Saturday. I did my first one last Saturday. About 100 people came into the session, and we had 16 conversions.
Amazing. And what do you think? Right? Do you love to do those passive courses that is residing in a Teachable, or you want to do an active class like this? Okay, what do you love the most?
No doubt about the
passive
fact
courses
that
or active classes?
Active, without a doubt. I'm a people's person.
Yeah.
Without people, I myself will die. So I'm a very people's person, and I love to be in front of the audience. I love to talk, and I love to empower people and make a change. So your model of binge marketing, of first and foremost, the 5-day WhatsApp class, which I started off, and I always tell your team, Gopal, that for me it is becoming an addiction. I don't know to what extent they can understand, but I'm becoming addicted to it. And I can't wait to scale up my numbers in the Saturday online retreat. And this is the first time someone's doing it, an online retreat. How many of you have actually heard of it?
Her program is called FitReat, and we'll be giving you the a link to join that class, guys. Okay. Now I'm going to open up. Okay. Anyone here don't want to do passive courses where someone goes through a boring lecture inside a Teachable or Thinkific, and you want to do active classes, type active in the chat box if you want to switch to an active class. And that is what you deeply love to do, impact people actively. Okay? That is what Dinas is doing, right? She's doing it actively, right? She's not doing it passive anymore. And that is the power of Binge, right? Okay. Where you do your classes actively, right? There is no more passive thing. Okay? People don't want to go through a passive course. Okay. Now, let us all say congratulations to Dinas for cracking the ₹1 million marketing mark. And, okay. And any question you want to ask Dinas, you can ask one question and we'll be like answering them. So will people without brand can also achieve similar heights? Asks Kamala. What is your answer for that, Dinas?
Yeah, definitely. You don't need to have a brand, because the model is designed in such a way that they come into your 5-day WhatsApp class, you are the brand, and the kind of value that you're providing is what will actually give you the results. So if you're one of those lazy people who feel that, okay, by sending a message, I'm going to get the results, sorry, it will not work. You've got to show up and give value and stop operating from a zone of fear. When you operate from a zone of fear, none of this will work.
Yeah, so that is why you need to have the right mindset, guys. Okay, you need to already like feel that you are a marketer with all the skills you need, right? You have to operate from that place of getting to your goals already. So that is something which I'll be covering in tomorrow's class, last session, right? Mindset. So thanks for your time, Dinas. It has been wonderful interacting with you, and I'm looking forward to be a part of one of your Fit Treats. Okay, her program is called the Fit Treat, right? The first online retreat for fitness, and many experts, right? Deep down, they want to do things like that, right? They don't want to do a passive course; they want to do an active class. Okay, so amazing, Dinas. Congratulations, and we wish you all the very best for your goals to come to true in the next 4 months. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you so much, Gopal. Bye-bye. All the best to you.
Yeah, thank you. Bye.
Cheers.
So that is Dinas. Okay, now I'm going to come back to the class. Okay. So you'll be learning how to do this actively, like when you scale up. Okay, I will be telling you something. Okay, I'll be revealing you my own offer tomorrow. Okay, so that is the story triangle, right? If you master the story triangle, then it will work for you. Okay, so your job is to master this. Okay. So this is the formula. Okay. This is a formula I'm going to give you, which is going to change the way in which you market your online courses. The formula is this: how course creators can enroll 25 to 30 students every week without webinars using Binge marketing. The course creators here is a target market. 25 to 30 students is the quantifiable end outcome. When Steve Jobs came and presented his iPod, right? He said 1,000 songs in a packet. He said 1,000 songs in a packet. He didn't say iPod has this feature, this benefit. He didn't, because people only understand outcomes. How course creators can enroll 25 to 30 students every week without webinars using Binge marketing. The webinars is the untold pain. Nobody is talking about that pain of doing webinars. So when I was the first person in the market to talk about that untold pains using Binge marketing, the Binge marketing is the unexpected gain. If you can create your own statement like this, this is your positioning statement. People are able to clearly see the results, the target market, the quantifiable end outcome, the untold pains, and the unexpected gains. I'll be giving you examples. 5-day WhatsApp class. Your job is to make people to go through your 5-day WhatsApp class, and at the end of the 5-day WhatsApp class, you pitch them their main online program. The main online program for me was the 4-hour Facebook funnel. The 4-hour Facebook funnel program, and I sold this program with a single statement. Anyone here want to launch a profitable Facebook campaign in 4 hours or less? Without doing landing pages, emails, website? That is what this is about, right? The one statement I'm going to show you, right? It made us more than 1 crore in revenue in a very short period of time. All these people, right? They created their own offers with a very strong without untold pain and quantifiable outcome, and that is why they are able to get all the results. You can see, right? People are reviving from a dead list here. Again, people are making the money in their first week. Anyone here want to become like these people? Okay, so they actually came to us and they were non-marketers, non-techies. They didn't know how to do anything, but they were able to go through the process and they were able to succeed. And I'm going to tell you a truth. Okay, if you can make your prospects believe, if I make you believe that the only way to implement binge marketing in your business is by getting my next level program. Okay, if I make you believe through stories of people, you have no other option but to invest in my next level program. Anyone here have a feeling that this person is going to sell me something tomorrow evening? Type feel in the chat box if you feel that this person is going to sell me something tomorrow evening. Okay, tomorrow evening this person is going to sell me something. Okay, I have to part with my money. Anyone here feel that? Curious at least? Type curious in the chat box if you feel curious that this person is going to sell me something tomorrow evening. Okay, I am not going to disappoint you. I am not going to disappoint you. I am going to sell you something, but I won't sell you something without creating value. Let me ask you this, guys. You want to launch your own 5-day WhatsApp class. You want to sell your online course, but you don't want to be sold. You don't want to become my lifelong customer. You won't spend money to become a neurosurgeon for your own industry. Got it? Okay. So your job is to understand that. Okay. You cannot become the person whom you are not. Okay. If you are not open to others selling, right, you'll not be able to sell your own content. That is how the whole universe works. Okay. So that is the thing, guys. So we will take that out of the equation. I will stop this and I will come back to the class. So that is the thing, right? If I make you believe that the only way to implement binge marketing in your business and take you to $1 million in revenue, and I show you a lot of case studies, a lot of testimonials, lot of proof that I can really help you, you have no other option but to invest in my program that is going to happen next week. Okay? So you're going to invest in my $1 million online courses program, which is going to happen next week. If you see that I can really help you, I'm going to show that I can help you by actually helping you to launch your course tomorrow and get your first 10 students. No theory. You'll be getting your first 10 students tomorrow. So I'm going to give you this without and with formula. I'm going to use this without and with formula, which will help you in creating your own positioning statement. Your job is to make people to feel without the biggest untold pain they think they should be doing. Okay? People think that I should hear songs using these earbuds, right? I have to untangle this, I have to put this, but there is a new way of doing stuff. With your new technology, tool, system or strategy. You need to make people to feel that with your new technology, tools, system, strategy, I will be able to give you what you want. Let me give you the positioning statement of Dr. Sharmila. How to bring out the leader in your child in 30 days without sending them to expensive schools with the Young Leaders Challenge. Anyone here want something as a replacement for preschools today because of COVID? This is a statement. How to bring out leader in your child in 30 days without sending them to expensive schools with the Young Leaders Challenge. How to get 30 sales for your e-com store in under 30 days without owning a product with the e-com freedom funnel. How to fix the money and relationship issues in your family without counseling with the matrimony method. How to launch a profitable Facebook campaign in less than 4 hours without a website, landing page or emails with the 4-hour Facebook funnel. This statement has made me more than 1 crore in revenue. How to reset your health in 21 days without sacrificing your favorite foods with the yoga shred method. Anyone here want the zero diet yoga shred method? The zero diet yoga shred method. These statements immediately makes your prospects curious about what you have for them. This is one of my students. His name is Himani Jain. He has something called the Business Growth Accelerator. Fill up your online programs and offers with high paying clients who would love to work with you without spending on ads? Anyone here want to work with this person, Himani Jain? First time you are seeing, but you are just curious, okay? Type curious if you are just curious about this, guys, okay? Curious about knowing more about this, how to do this, right? So that is the thing, right? The moment you are able to create that curiosity statement, right? That is what makes your course sell. This is why people buy. People don't buy because you can explain your program better. Your job is to make people to feel that you are exposing your truth to them. The business growth accelerates with Himani. Fill up your online program and offers with high paying clients who would love to work with you without spending on ads. So that is how I was able to do this, right? People are buying my program immediately because they can now launch a campaign without using any landing pages, emails, website. I was able to build a 10 lakh per month business just because of this. So let me ask you guys, what is the equivalent of water in marketing? Okay? If you want to learn swimming, you need to get into water. If you want to learn marketing, what should you do? If you want to learn swimming, so what is the equivalent of marketing? The equivalent of water in marketing? What is the equivalent of water in marketing? Nobody's giving the answer. Okay? What is the equivalent of water in marketing? Some people have got it correct. Okay, what is the equivalent of water in marketing? Okay, the equivalent of water in marketing is mastery. Okay, is words. Okay, mastery over words. Okay, words. Marketing is about words. Whoever can master the words that appeal to their market, they will win. Okay. The ASAP Hour project of mine is about this. If you can master writing words, you will be able to master marketing. Okay, but you have to go through this once, this ASAP Hour, where I have this project for 30 days. You have to write 200 words every single day, consistently. If you write 30 days consistently with proven templates, anyone here feels that you will learn more about marketing? Tomorrow evening, I will be telling you how to work with me and get these 30 templates, which will help you to master marketing practically. Templates. People who finish this, right, they win this award in my main online course. I help people to launch launch a campaign over a launch-thon where 4 hours me and my team work with you. Anyone here want to win these awards? My main online course, right, the 4-hour Facebook funnel, I sell them because they are after mastery. Okay? So here, 30 e-com product sales in 30 days. Okay? I am giving them an outcome, right? My main online program is about them winning, about them mastering a skill, not them learning. 35-day WhatsApp class sales in 30 days. So this is how you actually like create your online course with a tangible outcome. Anyone here want to have 35-day WhatsApp class sale 30 days by working with me in my programs? So this is what it is all about, guys. You need to make it outcome based. Your online course should be outcome based. That will help people to do something without the frustration. Okay. Now I'm going to give you something, right, which is called the circle of wealth. Okay. So this is how, okay, the moment you create that statement, right, that becomes your offer. Anyone here can do this? Anyone here can create this, these kind of words, okay, these kind of offers? You need to find out an untold pain in the marketplace. Okay, type write in the chat box if you can write based on this formula. Okay, this formula I'm showing you, right? Can you write something like this based on this formula? This is a simple thing, right? A simple thing. The moment you are able to simplify what you do and communicate your statement in a simple way, that is when people get attracted towards you. So all these things are outcomes, right? Okay. Everyone wants, okay, in your program, right? Don't just tell them I have a program. Okay. I will help you to fix your married life in 42 days. I will help you to sell 30 e-com products in 30 days. I will help you to sell 35, make it outcome based, and make people to take a journey towards mastery. This is my mastery project. This ASAP Power is my mastery project. You don't just master, you don't just learn a strategy, you master stuff. You learn how to create marketing value by actually writing, by actually getting into the water every single day. So now I'm going to tell you how to structure your main online course. What will make people to pay 5K for your program? So I'm calling it as a circle of wealth. Okay. My student Shitish, right? He's going to come tomorrow morning. It's called the circle of wealth training. There are 3 phases: wealth conception, wealth consciousness, and wealth creation. Anyone here just looking at this diagram want this? He calls it the holy cow method. Okay. The cow stands for circle of wealth. Anyone here wants this holy cow method? Type COW if you want this holy. Just by looking into this, you're curious about this, right? I want to know more about this holy cow method. Okay. COW, circle of wealth. Your ability to draw diagrams. Okay. Your ability to do this. Okay. So we'll be closing at 11:30, guys. Okay. So don't worry that we will keep on time. Okay. So circle of wealth. Your job is to create your new word, the new technology. Okay? The circle of wealth is your new technology airport. There are 3 phases: wealth conception, wealth consciousness, and wealth creation. You divide your program into 3 phases. The first thing you do is to divide your program into 3 phases. Then for each and every phase, you have 3 different milestones. Wealth conception, milestone 1, milestone 2, milestone. You take that first phase and then give 3 milestones. Then wealth consciousness, 3 milestones. Wealth creation, 3 milestones. Then here, wealth conception, right? The first module will always be about the problems, the pains. Milestone 1, how broke is your brain? How to fix your broke brain? How to go from a broke brain to a wealthy brain. You tell them how exactly is their pain and how they can go from their pain to the gain. First phase. Wealth consciousness, how to find your wealth frequency, how to tune into your wealth frequency, how to create a conscious wealth environment. Second phase. Third phase, how to convert your talent into a problem solving skill, how to serve people with your problem solving skill, how to attract an abundance of people whom you can serve with your problem solving skill. Anybody will pay 5K for this program, guys. Type 5K in the chat box. We'll pay 5K for this program. Just by looking into the thing, right? You'll pay 5K to learn this. Okay. That is the power of marketing. Okay? You are not teaching something here. Okay? You are inspiring people with your marketing talent. You are creating those bullet points that makes people to feel, okay, this is the program I want. This person knows my problem. This person knows the solution. Let me go and study. 10K, I feel someone. Okay. All right. Okay. So that's the thing, right? The moment you are able to create a bullet point like this, right, it makes people to feel that they can work with you and get what they want. The moment you are able to, this is what people want, right? Mindset, strategy, knowledge, and tools. You need to make people have the right mindset, the right strategy, right knowledge, right tools, and they need to keep practice again and again and again. For them to develop a skill, they need to practice the right mindset, right strategy, right knowledge for 3 months, 6 months, 12 months for them to acquire a skill. The same way a neurosurgeon goes and learns something, right? We need to make people to learn something from you with the right mindset, strategy, knowledge, and tools. Each and every module, right? What you do is, right? You make people to feel, okay, the each and every milestone, right? Why they should do something. Why you should sell courses. Why you should buy courses. I started with that, right? In the beginning, right? Then the strategy, diagram or flow chart. Okay? You give them a diagram or flow chart. The circle of wealth was diagram. Then share your knowledge with tangible examples. Okay? People are getting your course not for you to give them generic knowledge. You need to give them knowledge filtered through your own experiences or your client's experiences. Don't give them generic courses. People don't want to learn technical things. They want knowledge filtered through experience. Then templates, access to practice and gain mastery. For example, milestone 1, right? The mindset is this, right? Why we get our broke brains. Strategy is the broke brain diagram. The knowledge, how society and parents influence our broke brain. Tools, the broke brain assessment, find out how broke your brain is. When you divide each and every milestone into mindset, strategy, and tools, right? Then people get everything. Okay? They will now understand why they need to do stuff, what is the strategy, and what is the background they need to understand, and then you give them tools. Now people are seeing their mastery journey and not a strategy journey. And it is all about mastery, guys. And when you do this right, you will be able to get people from nowhere to become a world champion of public speaking. Okay? World champion of marketing, world champion. You need to make people to master stuff so that one day they can become the world's best. Anyone here want to create your own Toastmasters club for your own industry? I want to create my own Toastmasters club for marketing. Okay? Anyone here want to do this for your own? Okay? Type TM for your industry. Okay? Toastmasters for your industry, right? My vision is to build world's best club for marketing. I want to become the Toastmaster marketing. Okay? What is your vision? Why you want to do this is this, right? Type TM for your industry and I'll be sharing you my template for doing this. Okay? We're coming to the end of this class, guys. Type TM for your industry so that we know how serious are you guys. TM for okay, TM for what industry? TM for marketing. TM for what? Okay. TM for personal branding, say someone. TM for IT industry. TM for communication skills. Okay. You need to have that vision. You need to have that focus. You need to build a club. You are building a membership. You need to have the vision for building your Toastmaster club or something. So that's it, guys. Now I'm going to give you the assignment, okay? Because it's a class, it's not a webinar, right? You need to submit an assignment in the evening, right? Ready for homework? Ready for the homework, guys? Ready for the homework, everyone? Okay. Before that, I will okay? I will show an article I wrote, okay? And this will literally blow your mind. Okay? So I'm going to show you an article which I have written. Okay, so I'm going to read this article, guys, and I will be like making you a bit relaxed because this will relax because it's a very special occasion, right? That's why I'm. So anyone here ready to win this level 1 award? Okay, in the evening. Okay, level 1 award in the evening. You're going to win this award. Okay, and you are going to finish assignment. I'm going to win this badge in the evening. But I will read this Krishna key to you guys before we go into. Okay, so here, this Krishna key. Okay? So today on this very day, okay, I wrote this on Krishna Jayanti, 11th August. When Krishna was born, I want to give you a key that is so powerful, it can change how you market your audience forever. The key is so important and it almost nobody uses this in marketing. Without further delay, here's a key, exposing the truth. It is what Krishna did to Arjuna on the battlefield with the Bhagavad Gita. The whole conversation was about exposing the truth to Arjuna so that he could start the battle without a doubt. Through stories and demonstrations, he made Arjuna realize the truth, which made him win the battle. So what is the key you have got from Krishna? It is this. You need to go to any extent to make your customers realize the truth about solving their problems. Let us say you are a yoga instructor and know how to cure a person's neck ache on their own without going through surgeries or a physiotherapist. You need to expose the truth about solving their problem themselves through stories and demonstrations, even if it hurts doctors and physiotherapists. As an expert, it is your responsibility to expose the truth and not just explain expertise, right? Your job as a marketer is not to explain what you do. It is to expose the truth. That is the Krishna key. If you do it right, you will be seen as the Krishna in your industry and your customer will be feeling like Arjuna. Anyone here want to become the Krishna of your industry, guys? Type Krishna if you want to expose the truth, right? It takes courage. It takes bravery. If you want to become the Krishna for your industry, right? Then you need to expose the truth. Exposing the truth is marketing. Okay? So now I'm going to share the template. Anyone want a template? Okay. I'm going to give this template to you guys. Okay. This template is going to literally change the way in which you look at. Okay. I'm going to give this to you. Okay. So I'm going to give you this sheet. Okay. And I want you to like copy this. Okay. I want you guys to copy this, guys. Okay, I want to click this link and I want to go to this particular sheet. Okay, and I want you to start this. Okay, okay. I want you to click on make a copy, and I want you to fill this sheet. Okay, I think you guys are on that, right? Okay, that is why it's getting. Okay. So you just make a copy of the sheet, right? And you design your target market. You create a without statement, right? Without is the most powerful thing. Okay. Let me tell you guys. Okay. Let me show this while this is right. Anyone here want this book who are parents here? How to talk siblings without rivalry. Anyone here want this book? How help your children to live together. Okay. To live together so you can live too. Anyone here wants this book as parents, right? Okay. So you will be able to when you create a without statement, right? That is what people want. People want a strong without statement. Okay. So your job is to do this. Make a copy of this sheet. Okay. And you will be able to fill this form. And I want you to create your own statement. It says, okay, I help non-techie entrepreneurs how to launch a profitable Facebook campaign in 4 hours or less without using websites, landing pages or emails, using my 4-hour Facebook funnel. Anyone will finish assignment and submit it before today evening. You just need to take this statement. Okay, take this statement. Entrepreneurs launch profitable Facebook campaigns without landing page, emails, website. And with the 4-hour Facebook funnel, you just need to edit this based on industry. Okay, you need to take this, edit this based on your expertise and your industry. Okay, even if you don't have the expertise, solve a problem. I help non-techie entrepreneurs launch a profitable Facebook campaign in 4 hours without landing pages, emails, or a website with a 4-hour Facebook funnel. Okay, and that's it, guys. Okay, I'm going to answer all your questions now, and your job is to copy this particular statement, come to your Telegram group. Okay, I'm going to show this. Come to the Telegram group. And I just want you to come and paste this here. Okay? We'll be opening up the Telegram group at 4:30 p.m. in the evening. And you just need to paste your statement. Okay? Don't post your Excel sheet. Just paste your statement here on the Telegram group. Okay? Type clear if you're clear with what to do, guys. And I will be going to the next step. Type clear if you are clear with what to do. Okay? You just need to paste that statement and that's your assignment. Very simple. Because I want you to enjoy your Ganesha festival as well. Okay? Okay, it will take time. It will take time for you to do. Okay? You just need to paste your statement and do it, guys. Okay? And I want you guys to go and like my Facebook page. Okay? Because on my Facebook page, I share on a daily basis. Anyone here want insights from me on a daily basis? Now I'm going to please go and like my Instagram page, and I can also like my Facebook page. I'm going to give you my page right now, guys. Okay, you can go and like my page so that you can get all my posts on a daily basis. Okay, I write on a daily basis and I give insights about binge marketing, insights about marketing, insights mindset. I do that on a daily basis. you can go to my page and you can hit like so that you can follow it, guys. Okay, so please click on this link and go to my page. And once you like my particular page, right, you'll be able to see all my updates on a daily basis. Okay. Now I'm about to answer questions. Amit, can we switch to questions today, Amit?
Yes, we can. I think one second. I cannot start my video. I think you have to make me a co-host again.
Yeah, wait, I'll do that. Yeah, done.
Yeah. All right. So I think we have got some kind of quite genuine questions out here. I'm going to pull out only those questions. I think we don't take more time out there. Someone said, like, does it work for medical? Does it work for pharma? Does it work for people who wants to teach English grammar? I think we have all the questions answered here. Gopal, would you like to add anything?
Yeah, it is not about what you do, guys. Please forget what you do. Okay, so as I said in the beginning, right, you're a neurosurgeon. You need to solve a big and urgent problem. Okay, so look into a problem and then gain the expertise to solve it. Okay, don't worry about what you do, right? So you have to just reframe or repackage your problem into something different. For example, English grammar. Okay, don't push in this English grammar. Okay, so get a high paying career without learning English grammar. Okay. Get a high paying career by becoming a better communicator with a better English communicator without learning grammar. Okay, that get high paying job is the problem you're solving, right? It is not the solution of the program you have. It is about the problem you're solving. So you need to focus on problems. That's my answer.
I have one beautiful question. I think this question was asked by Apurva Gupte. And she says, sir, I fear that people might copy the idea of my course and start something similar. What is your opinion on this?
So people always copy, right? We people say imitation is the best form of flattery, right? Okay. For example, people have always copied my programs, courses, etc., etc. So believe me, right? People are buying you, not the program. Okay? Nobody can replace you. If you are able to relate to your audience, be able to connect, right? No matter how much competition comes up, right? They copy also, right? People will come back to you. Okay? And there will always be audience who can relate to you, who can relate to your personality and your avatar. Okay? You just need to become an attractive character. Okay. For example, you have to become the Krishna. Okay. What are the qualities that people are in Krishna so that people like Arjuna will relate to that particular Krishna, right? You just need to have those characteristics. Okay, you have the right knowledge, the right skills, right mindset, and people, when they see it can solve their problem, they will choose you over the competition.
Right, and that moves me. I'll just take probably around 2 or 3 questions here. One question nicely been framed by Rohit Balakshe. Gopal, how soon can I launch my program if I have no online presence on social media?
So you can do it tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow you can just do what I say, and you'll be able to do it tomorrow. Okay, you will be like doing something very specific that will help you to launch immediately. Okay, people make it very complicated, right? They want you to create courses, buy technology, buy stuff, but all those are not necessary. Okay, you can launch without any technology, with any experience tomorrow. If you just are serious about solving the problem, right, you will be able to do that. Okay?
So Shivani, I will take your question at the last one. Shivani wants us to repeat what is today's task. We will do that at the last of it. So Shivani, don't worry. We'll ask Gopal to talk about that. So someone are asking me, Meera says, how are you hosting these video sessions on Zoom? And I think we have one more question. So are we recording and then giving the recorded information to my students? How do you answer that?
So
there are 2 questions here.
So when you're doing it initially, do it live. Okay. The reason I'm doing it live, right? I want you to copy. Okay. When you do your courses initially, do it live like this, right? Do it live on a WhatsApp class. Do your main online course live as well, because no need to record all the stuff, right? So you don't have to record anything. Okay. You can just do everything live. The reason I'm doing all the things live is because I want to learn from me, right? Okay. I'm doing my entire program live because that is what people want, right? People don't want to go through a passive course. Do an online course. Where you do it live again, and once you have formed a very good experience, you got all the feedback, then create recordings and then make people to watch the recording. Okay? I'll be sharing how to do that in my evening class, how to do live classes as well as recordings without using Teachable or etc. With a simple way I will be showing you in the evening.
Right. Gopal, quick round of an answer, and I think we can have it in a 1-word answer. People are asking me, I've just listed out some of the points. Okay, so I'm answering almost like 5 or 6 people together. Does it work is the main question, and the other guys who are asking me the other side of it is, does it work for beauty and wellness.
Yeah, it works. For example, right?
Okay,
one of my
I will
students,
just tell you the 5 points, then you can answer me. Beauty
Yeah.
and wellness, about mental well-being, about money mind motivation, and one more we have is on financial consulting. Yeah.
Okay, so what I'm
One answer.
saying here, okay, so ego is the marketing enemy, guys, okay, because you're asking all these questions, right? I am this, I am that, I am that. So will it work for me? Okay, will it? How to find out the untold pains of my market? Okay, believe me, guys. Okay? It is not about you. Okay? Talk with people, find out their problems. For example, if you say money mind, right? What is the problem that people are having in their mind? Okay? So they're not able to make the law of attraction work. Okay? So they're not able to. They are frustrated with law of attraction. Okay. So then you say create unlimited wealth. Okay, create unlimited wealth without mastering the law of attraction. Okay, something like that. That talks people that whatever they're doing is right now is wrong. Okay? If you don't talk about that truth, right? For example, the truth is that you don't have to use this. You can create this. Okay? The moment I create the truth, zero diet weight loss, you can actually lose weight without dieting. Okay? The dieting here is the untold pain, and zero diet weight loss is the new technology. Okay? Your job is to create new technology, guys. It is
Right.
forget about this. Okay, your job is to create new technology. Forget about what you do. Okay, it will work for every industry, but if you directly sell what you have, right, it won't sell without
Yeah.
diets,
So
without
that
landing
answers
pages.
actually.
Yeah.
That answers even Mr. TK. He has asked for, can I sell cake and other bakery products and all those things. So that answers almost everything right now. So if you
You
are
need to
from
say, for
any
example,
of the industries,
yeah,
yeah, go ahead, please. Go ahead.
how
I
to
think
become a
next.
cake preneur in 5 days. Okay, how to make simple cakes and sell it to all people in your apartment and make money. Okay, that's a problem. Okay, that's a problem you can solve. Okay, how to bake cakes in your kitchen and serve people in your apartment and make money. Yeah, that's a course you will want to take. Okay? You cannot sell bakery products, but you can sell how to become a cake preneur sitting from your home.
Okay, so I think the last 3 questions, and we'll just quickly just move out of this. This is a very important, Gopal. I think this is something that you must answer. Sir, after buying the upsell of your program, how much more money I need to invest in the tools, softwares, and any kind of hacks and funnels? So I've answered, of course, this question is put by more than 17 people. I have clubbed it into one.
So even if you're purchasing, okay, initially I make people to sell and then build it. Okay, you will never spend anything on anything without having your students, right? You will not do that, and I'll be giving you completely free methods, right? The only thing you have to purchase is the Zoom. Okay, that's all. Okay, but you can do everything just with YouTube videos, etc., etc. YouTube unnecessary videos. You can create. So everything can be done for free. Don't worry about spending anything more. Okay, people have been telling you the wrong things to do, because in truth, right, you don't have to have any other technology other than Zoom for you to launch your program. I think Zoom costs just $20 per month, right? That's it. That's
Okay.
it.
One
$15.
connecting to this, Anmol asks, is there level 1 and level 2 for my binge program? This is something which Anmol wants to
So
ask.
we don't believe in level 1, level 2. We just believe in 2 levels, right? Your WhatsApp class offer and your main online course. Okay, and these 2 things alone has been enough for us and most of our friends to scale to 10 lakhs or more. Okay, so your job is to just make sure that you have 2 levels. One is your WhatsApp class, second is your main online course, right? Just 2 levels, and you'll be able to get as many clients and revenue as you want, right? Don't make it complicated. Okay, for you to create level 2, level 3, it will take you years. Just keep it simple and keep it 2. Okay, yeah. And
Okay,
eventually you
I
can
think,
create L3, L4. Yeah.
I have a request to all the people right now. We have got more than 700 plus people out here. I have a request. Please type in your name. Change the Zoom name. I know if you don't change, it becomes like Gioni and smartphone, all these numbers, and I cannot take your name. So anonymous attendee, it will come like anonymous attendee. The question for Gopal is, I am in a job, Gopal, and how do you want me to quit my job and start my own coaching? Is that confident you are? Shall I quit my job and the other parallels?
No, I don't recommend you to quit your job. Okay. So until you get the expertise of solving a problem and solve that problem for 100 people, right? Don't quit your job. Okay. And when 100 people give you the testimonials and case studies that they have become better, then you think of quitting your job. Okay. So until you get 100 customers for your main online course, don't think of quitting anonymous suddenly. Okay. That is the name, right? Yeah. Yeah.
Right. So I don't want to take more time. We have got only one or two questions more. There are a lot of questions. We will try to answer it. So most of the support-oriented courses, all the links will be shared on the Telegram group. Do not worry. Do not have to reach out to me, Gopal, or anybody else. Everything is going to be there on the Telegram. In fact, this particular recording that has been there, that also will be there. Okay. So no need to ask multiple questions. Everything will be there, including if the link is not working, our internal team, support team will check it out. Don't worry on that part. I think I can rest assured you that. If you have any questions, the support team will give you a separate support a link by which you can ask if there is kind of questions which are not answered here. Otherwise, these are kind of questions we'll take it live. What is going to happen? Okay, now I will open up to Gopal to answer this last question: is what is the homework and what is going to happen in episode 2 that is happening? What is the time and what time everything is getting to the next level?
The assignment is just simple. Okay. You just need to post this. Okay, you just need to post this sentence, niche clarity statement, right? Okay, which I help non-techie entrepreneurs launch a profitable Facebook campaign in 4 hours without landing pages, emails, or a website with the 4-hour Facebook funnel. Okay, just design on a problem, guys. Okay, it need not be perfect. You're in day 1, right? Just design on something, even if you're not clear, right? Just design a problem that is that you think I can solve right now, which you have the experience for, which you will have. Always felt that this person has a knowledge which I can help to solve. Whatever that is, right? Please make sure that you type it in. But you can gain the knowledge, you can solve a problem, and you can launch a code, right? But then again, you need to go through that process, right? Okay. I help non-techie entrepreneurs launch a Facebook campaign in 4 hours without landing pages, emails, website. I want you to paste this statement on this particular group, right? The Excel sheet is for you to fill up for your own reference. Don't paste your Excel sheet on the group. Just paste the statement on the group, guys.
All right. So I think that brings us to a clarity. So the Telegram would be open at what time?
The Telegram group will open at 4:30 p.m. in the evening, and it'll be opening it till 5 p.m. So the first person who actually post, right, we'll be reviewing your stuff. For the first people who post, right, that's another reason for you to post, right? We'll be reviewing your stuff and telling you how exactly you can do it better. Okay? So that is something which we'll be doing in the evening. So people who please submit your assignments in the evening, and I'll be telling you how to improve that offer, and I'll be answering all your questions on the evening as well. In the evening, you get reviews. You don't just get the class. Okay? That is something which is going to be very exciting part of the evening class. And in the evening, right, we'll be learning how to create your own WhatsApp class. Okay? How to create your own WhatsApp class offer, and how to gamify the whole thing so that people feel that they're winning. Okay? People feel that they're winning and not just learning stuff. Right? Your job is to make people to feel that winning feeling. Okay? And in the evening, we'll be having this. I'll be showing this again, and I'll be telling you what is going to happen in the next classes. Okay? I will repeat this.
All right. So with that, when we come to the end of episode 1, and we will be actually opening up all these things. The Telegram, as Gopal said, will open up at 4:30. Half an hour is given to you to submit your one-liner that's going to change the structure of your entire version 2 of your life. And now this is where we actually start working on the implementations. So as Gopal said, learning is something we have already done right now. We have got enough information. Now put it into the implementations, and tomorrow you will be earning those badges as well. Not tomorrow, today itself. For those people who have submitted the entire thing, there will be a structure by which you will be making the badges, which is also shared. You will get everything inside the Telegram group as well. And we will be able to connect with you on the Zoom ballroom right now, exactly how you are watching this, at exactly 5 p.m. And I will be there to greet you out there. And I would like to see that this is that one step. This is where the push happens. And this is the last part that you need to do to jump towards the clarity of your career. So with that, let's take goodbye. Gopal, any other parting so that we can come back after this?
I just want to outline the structure of the program. Okay. So I want to, tomorrow is the important day, right? Where in the morning, 9 a.m. to 11:30, right? This is when you're going to launch your program and get your first 10 sales. And today evening, right, you learn about this WhatsApp class offer and gamification. You'll be getting recordings of this class, this and this. But the last class, you won't get recording. So tomorrow, please attend this episode 4, because you will learn how to become the Krishna with your Facebook ads. You learn how to expose the truth, and you learn all the stuff I have taken the last 5 years. You'll be learning that in this particular class. With that said, thanks for your time, everyone. That's all.
I'll just share my screen, Gopal, for 2 minutes, and then I think we can part off. Yeah. All right, guys. So I'll just put the things, and I want to